Now, if someone is sick, we're going to give him a medicine. This is just a probability, meaning that if you take this medicine, because we test it in some group and 80% of that people have a good outcome, you may have 80% chance.
But we are all different. We respond differently to medication. This is what we want to understand.
The secret of life, which is called DNA, is something where you have most of the information used by all the mechanism of your body to make things happen. Many of the disease then may depend on how is your DNA.
So the Institute Pasteur will offer a new perspective of science, medicine and public health to the world.
We are in the beginning of an enormous revolution that will change the way we do biomedical research and profoundly change the way we are doing clinical practice. By providing precise information of how an individual will react to a certain medication, we will avoid severe side effects.
We want to have a GPS system for health. The ability to be able to know the features that are extant within that disease will allow them to have better treatments and to have ways of intervening in what they do with their life to keep from having the disease progress.
In order to be able to do precision medicine, we need to understand some of the basics of how these interactions work.
That's why genomics is so important, whether we're talking about cancer, whether we're talking on infectious disease sometime, won't infect people equally depending on their genetic background.
In the last decade, there has been a remarkable shift in technology where the ability to sequence someone's genome, to be able to capture data using wearable devices, has given us all this new information.
So when genomics is a tool, what is more important is to make sure we set up an environment where everybody will share.
The Institute Pasteur has the opportunity to become a key driver in connecting people to their own health, to their own disease, and that soon citizens will begin to want to be active partners with researchers. So our goal is to allow people to be equal participants.
You never do anything by yourself. So it's really a collective effort. The Institute Pasteur will play a very specific role in the new adventure of science and medicine. And we have new schemes for science, for contribution to science.
A global, already connected network that covers the whole range from sample collection, biobanking, data extraction, data management, data analysis leading to biological insights. Then, of course, we have a lot of external partners. Pathogens and diseases knows no borders, and neither do we. We can be a catalyst for change and an example of how you could work in a truly global way.
So many people ask, is that going to affect my life? It will affect everyone's life.
It's going to prevent, it's going to help to treat, it may help to diagnose.
For all those people who have a vision for their philanthropy, we offer the major adventure, a direct impact on what will be medicine, public health and science in the next years.
Philanthropists can help with providing their visions and their goals and help us to create this infrastructure, but also to unite people, to make it possible for people to work together.
The way we are working with our friends, our philanthropists, is that they are partners. That means they have the possibility to contribute to the overall vision and shaping and realizing of this vision. Generate knowledge, but share the knowledge. A community of scientists, a community of knowledge. Collectively, yes, we can transform the world.